And welcome to Umkosi no Makajane. I am Umakajane. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho it's about ingane zakaMusa Mseleku. Let me say umpumelelo Mseleku nesithembu sakhe. So we all know that umpumelelo Mseleku unesithembu sama girlfriend, guys. This guy is not yet married or is not married. We are not even sure ukuthi uzobashada namantombazana athanda nawo lama baby mama wakhe, because judging from the time athandane no Vuyokazi ngayo, if he was serious ngabe samlobolile musa. And I'm definitely sure ukuthi if mangacela nje ubabakhe ukuthi amlobolele uzomlobolela, because ubabakhe believes in isithembu and iphupho lakhe lokuthi abantwana bakhe babe nesithembu. So man, guys, ngibone ama-comment amaningi kule live uTirelo bakayenza on TikTok. A lot of people, they were saying abamthandi, bathanda uVuyokazi, even ifamily yakampumelelo Mseleku ithanda uVuyokazi. Then ngathi man, awuthi ke ngibheke ku Instagram, I've seen man, especially usne no Vuyokazi engathi they are quite close, because iku TikTok yasne even Instagram yakasne, you'll find iy'thombe ey'ningi zakamhlopekazi, you'll find iy'thombe ey'ningi usne no Vuyokazi. But guys man, asikhulumeni iqiniso, obviously they'll post uVuyokazi. Angithi bebazi uVuyokazi uTirelo bamazi nawo, so bebazomposta bamazi laphi guys, asibeni fair. Bebazomposta bamazi laphi. It's understandable ukuthi why bebaposta uVuyokazi, and maybe baspenda more time noVuyokazi because umntana uVuyokazi uhlala nabo. So uVuyokazi obvious as a mother mele ayovakasha kaMseleku even if umpumelelo angekho. But ke guys, I've even seen iy'thombe zaka babomncane kaMpumelelo lo uVuyokazi bekamfonela that time uTirelo amdelela abalwela i-front seat. I've seen iy'thombe zaka babomncane kaMpumelelo. It was babomncane kaMpumelelo ne-other lady which I think i-girlfriend yakhe or unkosikazi wakhe noVuyokazi noMpumelelo. I think it was a couple outing yana, cause nabantwana ngibabonile. But ke bazala bami zitho, that is all for today. Please comment down below, do you think ukuthi bathanda uVuyokazi more than uTirelo, or they are just nje ukuthi ilento engishoyo ukuthi nje they knew uVuyokazi before uTirelo? Obvious bazoposta uVuyokazi. That is all for today bazala bami zitho. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.